What's up guys, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got, to my knowledge, the first ever modified second generation Nissan Juke headlights. This is for the 2015 and up. This has the projector lens assembly that's already in it. It's a halogen projector assembly, and so I have done a retrofit with the Morimoto Mini H1 assembly in there with an asymmetrical lens etching, Nismo on that side, and RS on that side. We've also painted the interior. I'm sorry that it's just pure reflection going on here. We painted the interior a black base coat with a purple metal flake mid coat, which gives a really super beautiful shine. Of course, it just wants to reflect and show my super awesome purple hair, which is nice because we match. Also, we installed a strobe light kit that's hidden inside of there that I'll show you right now. So that's exciting. Those strobes are hidden up underneath there and there. Voila. And then I also want to show you the... What? So now what I'm going to do is actually turn on the headlights for you so you can see that it's a significantly better light output. We can now properly run HIDs in this housing. Before it was a halogen projector lens, and now we have an HID projector lens, so it looks a lot better. And you have this beautiful clean cutoff up there, which as it warms up it'll actually get a little bit brighter, but you get the idea. And that is show and tell. You guys have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Holla at your boy. See ya.